How to generate image in Perplexity AI. If you want to generate an image in Perplexity AI, it is very simple. Currently, I'm using a free version of Perplexity, but I can still generate an image or two. For example, right here I set it to generate an image of a dog. It has given me an answer, but this is not a generated image. This is just an image from the web. So instead, if you want to generate images after you give your prompt, you go to the Images tab. Then when you go to the Images tab also, these are some of the images that Perplexity AI is giving you from the web for some weird reason. Now to generate our own image, after we click on images, on the right hand side, now you can see the option called generate image. But for that, you will need the pro version. So when you click on generate image, you'll be able to see the pro version. And when you go to the pro version, then you'll be able to go ahead and then basically download those images as well. And this is the way on how you can generate an image. The image that they give you by default, it's not the one they created. This is just the ones from the web. So you have to click the generate image on the right hand side as well. So I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.